In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Omegle I'm not a robot. So let's get started. First thing we want to do is open our browser and go to omegle.com. So when you get this captcha, this I'm not a robot captcha, and you can proceed to Omegle, what we want to do is to tap on the three dot lines or the three dots in the upper right corner of our screen. We want to go to settings. After that, we want to scroll down and find the site settings. And first, we want to make sure that our camera is turned on. And now we want to scroll down to our cookies. We want to tap on third-party cookies. And we will add an exception to omegle.com. So we want to tap on add site exception and to type omegle.com. So after that, we want to go to Play Store and make sure that our browser is up to date. So that's how simple and easy it is to fix the I'm not a robot captcha. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.